Hi everyone, today I'm going to make a moist and flavorful pumpkin chocolate cake. So preheat your oven 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And we need 8-inch cake pan. I use silicone mold. 3 eggs, room temperature. Separate the eggs white from yolk. Whip the egg whites until foamy. Gradually add half cup of sugar. Whip until stiff peaks form. Another bowl egg yolks. Add 1 cup of pumpkin puree. Stir. Next, add half cup of all-purpose flour. And half cup of cocoa powder. And 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of ginger, pinch of nutmeg and pinch of cloves. Stir until well combined. Gently fold into the whipped whites. Pour butter into pan. Bake 30 to 40 minutes or just until a toothpick is inserted into the center comes out clean. Let this cool for about 10 minutes, then transfer to over rack to cool completely. I'm going to make glaze. We need 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons of milk, add 2 tablespoons of honey. Melt in the microwave. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. And stir well. Pour over the cake. Cake is done and time to test. Oh, look at that, so moist and soft. Gorgeous. If you like pumpkin and chocolate, put your thumbs up. And thank you for watching.